Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Okay Learning. In this video we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics class 8 chapter 8 Profit, Loss and Discount exercise 8a question number 2. Ramesh bought 10 cycles for rupees 500 each. He spent rupees 2000 on the repair of all cycles. He sold 5 of them for rupees 750 each and remaining for rupees 550 each. What is his total gain or loss? So Ramesh bought 10 cycles, right? He purchased 10 cycles, he bought 10 cycles and that too at the cost of rupees 500 each. Okay, so look here, price of one cycle is rupees 500, right? So price of 10 cycles will be rupees 5000. Very simple, 500 into 10, 5000. Okay, so that means he brought all the 10 cycles combined for 5000 rupees. Now he has also spent 2000 on their repairs, as you can see here, 2000 on the repair of all cycles. So you can write it down here that for repairing the cycles, for the repair he spent rupees 2000, right? Now we will calculate cost price. So cost price will be 5000 plus 2000, right? Because we have to add, cost price includes of course price of the goods, okay, and also the repair cost, overhead cost, cartage, whatever things come on the way, right? So that's why the cost price will be 5000 plus 2000, that is 7000 rupees. So the cost price of the thing, it is 7000 rupees, right? Now we will calculate the selling price also. Look here, he sold 5 of them for rupees 750 each and remaining for rupees 550 each. So 5 cycles and 5 cycles, he divided the 10 cycles into 2 different groups. One cycle of 750 rupees each, 5 cycles were there in that, and in the other group 5 cycles again were there and each cycle was of rupees 550. So calculate the selling price. See, first group 750 was the cost and 5 cycles were there, okay, plus another group 550 was the cost for one cycle and 5 cycles were there again, total 10 cycles. And now multiply and find the cost of this selling price. See, 5 into 0 0, 5 5 2 carried over, 3 7 5 0 plus 0 here, 5 5 25 2 carried over, 2 7 5 0. This is what, see, add this 0, 5 5 10, 1 carried over, 7 7 14, 1 5 carried over, 6500 rupees. Okay, 6500 rupees. Now look here, you will write down since. Now look, is CP greater or is SP greater? Which is greater? CP is greater, right? So since CP is greater than SP, the cost price is greater than the selling price, there will be what? We have discussed this, it's a formula, there will be loss, right? When you are buying something and the cost of buying is more than what you are selling it at, so you are getting loss, that's why it will be loss. Now here, because you can see in the question it is not given total gain or loss %, so we have to tell by ourselves and loss is the correct thing. Now calculate the loss. Loss is equal to cost price minus the selling price, that is 7000 minus 6500, that is 500 rupees. So there is a loss of 500 rupees, that is clear. Now loss %, so loss %, again the formula is there, that is the loss upon cost price into 100. Anytime we are calculating the loss % or the gain %, it is calculated always on the cost price, that's why we are doing upon 100. Now see here, loss is 500 and cost price is 7000. 500 by 7000 into 100. So you have 50 by 7. That is 7 whole 1 by 7% in mixed fraction. That is what? Your final answer, right? 7 whole 1 by 7%. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like on this one. Till then, take good care of yourselves and bye bye.